I'm in God mode nowadays, son. This is greatness on a different level. I'm the provider around here, huh? I am this show. I run this show. I'm the greatest of this generation.
Garza, Wing Clipper. We are going to crown a new NXT Cruiserweight.
Fairy tale ending. Shoots the half to retain the NXT title. NXT champion to the ground.
That's it.
For the NXT championship.
No.
And Ciampa. Fairy tale ending. Goes to the crowd, into the cover. And
Gargano barely escaped. Panama Sunrise. No.
or perhaps Kinshasa. Cover on Finn Balor. Nakamura to put him away. No. Kevin Owens is it. He's done for. Owens is done for. Cover by Balor. Over the leg and in trouble. That's no, Johnny,
has just
no.
gone up in flames.
Oh, the knee gave way.
Oh, the last shot by Adam Cole at the last shot. Cole will go into the New Year NXT now. Oh, we haven't seen that since his DIY days on Super Kick, shoulders down.
Panama Sunrise. Can he connect it? He hit it to the cover. Again, the count.
Dynamic from here.
No.
Hammerlock DDT. Almost with the unos, dos.
Balor, double underhook, powerbomb, cover, the count to pin the champion.
Gargano missed. Gargano able to miss it to the ground. Slingshot DDT. Johnny wrestling. Johnny. Tornado DDT on the chairs. Adam Cole now down. Gargano with the cover. Adam Cole. Adam Cole. Big boy Canadian destroyer. Floating bro. He didn't get all of it, Nigel. He didn't get all of it. Oh, and somehow Cole. Well, Adam Cole.
First fool.
And Gargano aims.
Oh, spinning DDT lands.
Oh boy, hold on.
Two North American champs. And Johnny Gargano just blasted him in the mush. Cover. And another shining T going to be the Wizard of NXT. Mac kicks up his proverbial sleeve. Sling shot DDT. Opportunity has been opened. Panama Sunrise should be. No. It's all about the North American Championship. It's all a DDT. And the 1, 2, now to the midsection. Future shock. Future
That's
shock by Drew McIntyre.
Oh my
Cole kicks. Oh, and the elbow right across
The championship. Here's the cover.
Oh, what a super kick. What a kick by Cole. Gargano was looking for that Gargano escape. Cover.
Come on now.
The Team Dream get the championship. Ups are being pulled out here in this epic NXT championship match. Ushikoroshi.
Never down. He's never down.
Run up here by Ciampa.
That's to
Which means super kick Gargano on Pete Dunne.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and yet Dream and becoming NXT champion. Sick kick. Sick kick.
Here it is.
Sick kick by Strong. Agility. On the middle. And the slingshot spear by Gargano. Do we have a new champion? No. What a moonsault.
Good
That
night.
has to be it. Holy cover. And oh, Matt.
Gore, is that enough?
Avalanche Canadian Destroyer. What you need? Axe kick right across the jaw. Back cover. Oh, a right.
Chum. Yes, it
It's a
is.
dead Killian Dane is going to challenge Adam Cole.
Oh, wow.
I don't think that has anything to do with experience. Corbin trying to put Rhino away.
Pump handle. Bitter end. Is it? It is the fire.
Corbin for the win. Oh, than Balor, but Kevin Owens. My God! Up from Kevin Owens. Trying to put Balor away. It's Sabon.
Dream Valley Driver. Dream Valley Driver.
Cover.
Mountain athletes in the business and recovered by Strong, and Strong almost went.
What the?
Cole
This is it.
Cut, this is it, new champion.
Dream had it scouted.
And to knee strike by Murphy. Lights out for Dream.
Dragon off, hooking up Strong for the ride. Shoulders down, cover, count, and Strong.
Roderick Strong